Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to discuss a limitation with Numpy. We're going to talk about how it is homogeneous. So alright, that's just a fancy way to say that every item in that array has to be the same. So I'll say that, and then we'll look at it, and we'll go from there. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do one topic at a time, and we build upon it. So we've been using Numpy, and the reason why it's important is so we can learn. Here, let's just copy this, paste it. So, okay, Sam, that's me. I'm 6 foot 0 inches. So now let's run this and put this in memory. Boom. A list, it doesn't care. It can hold different types of items. But it helps if I bring in import numpy as numpy. Okay, here we go. But make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell because we just build upon this. So, all right. np.array. Well, here. np.array, and then we drop in y. Then we call that array, and here we go. All right, wait a second. So it converted everything here to a string. That's super important. Now let's look at this. Let's drop in some. Let's bring in import numpy as np. Now let's drop in some ints and some floats. All right, put that in. Bring up z. So now we're going to look at. Let's bring this back. There we go. So we have 3 significant figures, but we have a tenths and we have a hundredths. So now we drop this in np.array, drop in z, call array, sorry. So here we are. Aha. So now let's look. It goes and takes up the max on both sides. All right. Now let's look at this. Let's drop in this one. There we go. So now when we get past 4, it begins to do it in scientific. I think you guys can see that. Okay, good. Scientific notation. All right. So this, whatever is the max, becomes this standard bearer with a NumPy array. So I just wanted to make sure we hadn't touched on this. This is the only real limitation that can be problematic early on with NumPy, and I just didn't want to overlook it. Just wanted to make sure we talked about it, and then that was kind of where the idea of where pandas came from, where you could have a mix and the same kind of data frame, that as long as the column was the same, it didn't matter where it was across. It didn't matter per row. You could have different data types, but in a NumPy array, they all have to be all have to be homogeneous. Okay, so there we go. Real quick video today. Just wanted to talk about it, give some examples, and discuss it. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And as absolutely always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.